Today we will learn Kamal Kadai stitch, and it is very simple to make, and I'm using the silk thread. You can use cotton anchor thread if you are beginner. First mark one point, center point, like this. See this length of the thread, and just mark it here and go here like this. And for the smaller one, just see this one and go here. We have made 6 straight stitches. After that, take out your needle from one point, this point, and go under this thread, first thread, then over the second thread, then under, over, under and over, like this. And after doing this first line, you have to go inside the fabric with needle like this and secure the first stitch. And for making next step, take out your needle here and again this was over the thread, so we'll go under the thread, under, over, under, over, under, over. Now you don't need to go inside the fabric. Now we'll work under and over the thread. So this is the over the thread. For the next step, we'll go under, over, under, over, under, then over, like this. Now we will not go under or inside the fabric. We'll just work under and over the thread like this. Under, over, under. Now you have to reach here. Just repeat up. Just repeating the same step. When you reach to this stage, when you can't go under this thread, then we have to work between these 4 threads or these 4 stitches. Only just little gap is left, so I'm going again under this last thread like this. Now repeat the same thing, over, under, over, under. only 2 stitches are left, so we'll work between these 2 stitches. Go under and over, under, last one is very simple. Is done. Go inside the fabric and secure your stitch. This is the petal of the Kamal Kadai stitch. You can make three of them, or you can make 4 like this. But you need to repeat the same step and same process. For making this beautiful neck design, I am using only 3 stitches. This is Kamal Kadai stitch, this is straight stitch, and this is lazy daisy. For making this straight stitch, I am going to use 3 floss of the anchor thread. Stick the pearl bead or any kind of sequence if you want. I am using this one. Just stick it in the center and start from one point and start making running stitch. To complete this circle with running stitch like this. Now I will make lazy daisy stitch around the circle. Now complete your design like this.